CGI company hiring multiple job openings for different locations. I'm going to show you what are those job openings. Okay, so first let me show you. Here are the list of the job openings. So this is the position ID and essential skills, experience is required, and location. I'm going to explain one by one. Is production support with Linux and Unix. So who have experience in Linux and Unix with production support, you can apply for the job. Uh, Experience is required 2 to 4 years of experience, and location is Bangalore only. And next job is UX and UI designer. Okay, so this job opening also required 2 to 4 years of experience, and location is Bangalore and Hyderabad. This is for Java full stack, and the skills are required: core Java, Spring Boot, microservices, Angular. So front end technology is required, Angular experience, and this is also great opportunity who are having between 2 to 4 years of experience. And location is also multiple locations like Bangalore, Hyderabad, Mumbai, and Chennai. And second one also, this is another job ID. You just remember position ID. Okay, so based on the position ID, you can apply for this job. Okay, and next one is Unix and SQL support, and this is also required 2 to 4 years of experience, and work location is Hyderabad. And next one is COBOL. So if you have experience on COBOL, between 2 to 4 years of experience, then it is a. And second one is a Salesforce developer. So who are having experience in between 2 to 8 years of experience as a Salesforce developer, then you can apply for the job Bangalore, Hyderabad, and Mumbai. And next one is business analyst. Okay, and a Devops engineer, 3 to 6 years of experience, and work location is Pune, Benai, Hyderabad. And next one is Java developer. This is normal Java developer position, not Java full stack. Okay, so this is also experience required, 3 to 6 years of experience, and location is near Bangalore, Chennai, Hyderabad. Okay, and next one is like Java JE with the PLSQL experience, only Bangalore location. And next one is automation testing with the robot framework in energy utilities domain, 3 to 6 years of experience. And next one is a developer, and next one is a Java developer. Okay, this is only for Bangalore location. And next one, DevOps engineer. Okay, 3 to 6 years of experience. Okay, we will see another one. Next one is Java full stack. Okay, this job opening is required 4 to 7 years of experience. So see here, the work locations are Bangalore, Hyderabad, Mumbai, and Chennai. So all are Bangalore, Hyderabad, Mumbai, Chennai location only. Next one, automation testing, Selenium, banking domain, 4 to 7 years of experience, and automation testing only. And next one, Java full stack. Okay, and then Apache, Camel, Java, Spring Boot, Java developer. Okay, this is also Java developer position only. Okay, these four job openings are related to .NET technology, .NET C Sharp, MFC, VC++, SQL. Experience required 5 to 8 years of experience, and work location is Bangalore and Hyderabad. Four job openings are like Java developer, around 5 years, 5 plus years of experience required. And next, .NET full stack tech lead or architect, 6 to 9 years of experience, Hyderabad location. And next one, Java position, 6 to 9 years of experience. Java openings like Java developer position, 3 plus years of experience. Work location is Bangalore and Hyderabad. And next one is automation testing, Selenium, Robot, Python, 4 to 6 years of experience. And next one is core Java developer only. And next one is core Java. And next one is Java, Python, MongoDB, 4 to 6 years of experience. And next one is Python developer. Okay, 4 to 6 years of experience. And next one, data science engineer, 4 to 6 years of experience required, and work location is Bangalore and Hyderabad. And next one is Java full stack, 4 to 7 years of experience. Okay, so these job openings requirement is different based on the position ID or requirement ID. If anyone matching these skills, then you have to share your profile to this official mail ID. I hope these job openings is very helpful who are looking for job change and who are looking for jobs and who are looking for IT jobs. So if you really love this content, then don't forget to share to your friends, and also don't forget to hit the like button. So we'll meet with one more useful content video. Thank you very much.